and give my review of this intelligent 3D pen. They're not sponsoring me in any way. I don't have that many people watching me yet to get subscriptions or stuff like that away. I like this pen and I like the idea of it, especially if you already have a 3D printer. If you already have a 3D printer, you know that you'll be running through a lot of filament and you'll get to the end of the roll and you just don't want to risk running a print on something that might run out. So what you do is you use that in your 3D pen. Another thing would be if you want to get into 3D printing, I would suggest buying a 3D pen first. Instead of spending, you know, $300-400 on a decent 3D printer, beginner's 3D printer, you should go ahead and get yourself a $30 or $40 3D pen. And this one costs $35 on Amazon. I'll put the link to that in the description down below. This is an intelligent 3D pen from Techboss, the model SL300. It's got a little suction cup on the bottom of this. Works great if you want to just take that pen and put it in there. Even if it's got some plastic melting, it'll be safe in there. I almost ran out of this blue filament because I was making all of these Minecraft chess pieces. So what do I do with that? I can run this in my 3D pen. That way, you know, you're not wasting this extra. It's really only like 40 cents worth of plastic, but I hate throwing this away, you know, and I don't feel safe throwing it on my 3D printer. And you know, another thing is, if you make really big prints, like this dragon right here, you make this dragon and it takes 30 hours to print, you don't want to have to print a whole other dragon if it messed up somewhere, just a tiny little mess up. You just use some of that plastic there that you made this with and you just fill it in, you know, with the 3D pen. Works great. I can go ahead and show that to you if you want with some of this blue stuff. So let's see, let's find one of these little blue guys that's had a mistake on it. There we go. That's heating up now. Now go ahead and show you what I found here. You can see that there's some holes in the side of this. I want to cover that up with this 3D pen. See, it's not supposed to be in there. Okay. So we can see that blue's coming out now. Coming out nicely. So now I can try filling this in. Let's see, where do I want it? Okay. Now it's gonna go backwards some. Okay, it doesn't go all the way back. Just enough. So it does stop in a sense. Now I can sand that down if I wanted. Okay. Ow, that is hot. Don't forget. That's why they have the stand up here. Let me show you. That's why they got this stand. You just put her in there so you don't burn yourself like I just did. Or right on the pinky too. Unpleasant. That's nice. If you leave the filament in for too long, it just goes ahead and retracts itself. Oh, that's so nice. I guess that's why they call this a intelligent 3D pen, because it's smarter than me, apparently. There we go. And, you know, I just broke that. So, yeah. Trying to fix it, I broke it. But that's not the 3D pen's fault. That is my fault. Another nice thing about the 3D pen, I can fix this. Just gotta let that heat back up. I can put some in there. Just almost like it's gluing itself to it. This thing's heating up. It does get warmer the closer you get to the nozzle. There we go. Now let's get the seam. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now I can just, if I don't break it again, I could just cut these little strings off. So this can be messy, but it's better than, you know, making a whole nother 3D print that will take an hour or two. This right here will take 40 minutes. That's right, intelligent pen. Do your magic. Show why I bought you to the whole world. Not perfect, but it doesn't have holes there now. And I fixed that head. 3D pens are awesome. Let me go ahead and just heat this up again. I'll make something real quick. I wonder how it'll stick to this cutting mat. I feel like making a dog. Now, I said I'm not sponsored by this Techboss Intelligent 3D pen. And that's true. But if you do buy this on Amazon, I do get 10% for referring you to it. But that's anything you get from Amazon through my affiliate links in my description. Okay. I want to try and make a dog. Okay. Oh yeah, it sticks a lot better. Oh well. Okay. And I'll just go ahead and unplug it. Let you... Oh yeah, those mats do great. Now, I know I didn't really finish it, but see my dog's ears? Not really. Yeah, so I made a person throwing a ball, if you can tell, and then my dog. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Go fetch! I'm silly, I know.